Jai Hind. Let me introduce myself first. Myself, Baton, Suvedar Major, Instructor Special, Lalit Kumar Thakur. आपके लिए नया वीडियो लेके आया हूँ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ बिकॉज ड्यू टू COVID-19 pandemic, we all are suffering. So stay home, wear mask, keep social distancing, take care of your health. Now let us start. कुछ ही मिनटों में टेंस के काल आप किस प्रकार आप सीख सकते हैं. I have prepared this video especially for the student of 6th to 12th standard. So please do not miss to press bell icon, like it, share it, comment and subscribe my channel. Knowledge is power. We were talking about tense in the previous video, in which we have discussed types of tenses: present, past and future, and we have discussed present indefinite tense, present tense, which is further classified as present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. And today we will continue the remaining part of the present indefinite tense. As you know, and we have discussed, और आपको यह पता भी होगा, how do we identify the present indefinite tense, as it is shown in the definition. जिस वाक्य के अंत में ता है, ते है, ती है इत्यादि आता है उसे प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस कहते हैं. ऐसे वाक्य में वर्ब के साथ एस और एस का प्रयोग किया जाता है. इन केस ऑफ ही शी इट थर्ड पर्सन एटसेट्रा इन सिंगुलर फॉर्म वी यूज एस एंड एस, एंड इन प्लूरल फॉर्म आई, बी, यू, दे एटसेट्रा वी डोंट यूज एस एंड एस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वह स्कूल जाता है, ही गोज टू स्कूल. He is the subject, go is the verb, and we have used here yes with verb and school is the object. वह स्कूल जाता है. The identification of the present indefinite is ता है. वह स्कूल is object and he is a subject. ये चीज़ हम पिछले वाले वीडियो में डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. जस्ट टू recall your memory, I have repeated this definition again. The remaining part of the present indefinite is with the structure of the present indefinite tense. We must know about the structure, in which affirmative, assertive sentences, negative sentences and interrogative sentences. Affirmative stand for positive sense or a meaning of a sentence, and assertive means fact and opinions. In the particular sentence, if there are facts and opinion, it belongs to assertive, and if it is giving a positive sense or a meaning, it comes under affirmative. The negative sentence shows the negativity, and interrogative sentences show the interrogation, the question mark. या हम दूसरे शब्दों में ये कहें कि अफर्मेटिव साधारण वाक्य, नेगेटिव जो नकारात्मक वाक्य होते हैं उसको नेगेटिव, एंड इंटरोगेटिव जो प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य होते हैं उनको इंटरोगेटिव वाक्य कहते हैं. Now let's discuss in details affirmative. What happens in affirmative sentences? Subject plus VI plus S and ES plus subject. In affirmative sentences, B adds subject, verb, the first form of the verb, and S and ES plus subject. For example, he goes to school. He is the subject, go is the verb, and S and ES is used. To school, school is the object. He goes to school. It's a simple sentence. Affirmative is simple sentence. Now come to the next, negative. Negative to show the negativity. नकारात्मक जिसको हम कहते हैं, not is used. Subject plus do and does. Subject is the helping verb, do and does is used, plus not to show the negativity, plus verb, the first form of the verb, and object. To see the example, he does not. He does not shows. Does is the helping verb, not is showing the negativity. He does not go to school. He is not ready to go to the school. means not is used, not ready to school. Go to the school. नकारात्मकता शो हो रही है यहाँ पर. He does not go to the school. Hope you have understood. Now come to the interrogative. In such sentences, do and does is used first, plus subject, plus first form of the verb. At the end of the sentence, sign of interrogation is used. Simply, जिस भी वाक्य के अंत में आपको इस तरह का चिन्ह आपको दिखाई देगा तो इट मीन्स इट बिलोंग टू इंटेरोगेटिव. चाहे टेंस कोई भी हो, प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट हो, पास्ट इंडेफिनिट हो, कोई भी सेंटेंस हो, लेकिन जहाँ हेल्पिंग वर्ब पहले इस्तेमाल किया जाता है उसके बाद सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब लिखा जाता है और वाक्य के अंत में एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस साइन ऑफ इंटरोगेशन इज यूज्ड. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, डज ही गो टू द स्कूल? Does is helping verb. It is used in the beginning. He subject, go is the verb, object is the school. So today we have completed present indefinite tense and its different parts in the different forms, the affirmative, negative, interrogative sentences. Hope you have understood my today's topic.
Do like, share and subscribe.